shit so sick. I got sick. Low on my back is in my veins, I can't switch. Yeah, don't need nobody, I can stand on my 10.
Fuck a nigga, bitch.
Hey YouTube, it's me. I'm Unique, y'all favorite plus size queen. Your girl is here with a mukbang, however you want to. I have my butter and lemon juice, and I watched this video, and this lady said, she said Alfredo sauce and lemon pepper is good for crab. I'm gonna try it. I usually only eat my crab with some butter, you feel me? I wanted to try the Beloved sauce, but yeah. I have a drink. I don't want to put the name on there because I don't know what YouTube gonna try to do to me, but frozen slushy, Bourbon Street, Houston, Texas, daiquiris, yes. I have my pineapple soda, and then I got some, I don't know if y'all can see all of that, I got some crab, I got some potatoes, I already been some on my tail, and I got some lovely corn. Look, I ain't got no earrings in, I'm spaghetti strap, I'm comfortable because I'm not about to get cute for y'all. I'm a messy eater, so it is what it is. But yeah, let's get into this video. So let's first talk about this whole Jill Scott situation. We're gonna sip on some tea. We're gonna put this back right here. I'm sorry, y'all, this chair is really squeaky. But let's pray for our food. Man, and yeah, I'm gonna dip my corn into this butter because I didn't put no butter on there. I was trying to hurry up because it's real late, and your girl got things to do. Okay. Alright, some red potato. I'm gonna move this because yeah, when I get comfortable, I start to moving. Yeah, but yeah, Jill Scott, she said there's more to her little story behind that video, and that y'all need to leave sis alone, period. She said she been about that life. Let's try this, I don't know. Gonna be real messy. But yeah, y'all all stuck on Jill Scott. Y'all talking about Jill Scott, what's up, but it's regular. I'm just saying. Y'all, these females must not have been showing y'all the real do what it do, cause baby, it's regular. I just want to know what the meaning behind it was. She said it's not what y'all trying to make it seem like. Y'all need to do y'all research or whatever. And my little research that I did, I didn't see why she would have been on stage you feel me? Hitting the Glock 3000 on the microphone. I just don't get it. If you know why, go ahead, comment down below and let me know, cause I want to know. I brought a fork up here for this main reason, but oops. this Alfredo sauce. I didn't make my crab too spicy because if you know me, I don't really like spicy food. But I should have probably made it spicier in order for me to be able to enjoy this Alfredo sauce. It just tastes like Alfredo sauce and crab. I mean, that is what it is, but anyways, I wanted to speak on the topic of fake friends in this video. Because, no, let me not say fake friends, because, you know, they wouldn't be your friends if they fake. But on fake situations that happen in life. And I feel like we shouldn't have to deal with that. Especially with your friends. It shouldn't go down like that. You should not be dealing with you feeling some type of way about your friends. All my friends know when I feel the type of way, I'm gonna speak on it. Simple, period, point, and the blank. That's just how it is. But everybody wanna get mad when I do, but you know me. I should have brought some napkins up here, because I'll tell y'all I'm a messy eater. I don't even know why. I keep looking over there because for some reason, I keep thinking my door opening. I'm tripping. I need a napkin or a towel. Give me a second. Let's get into the Q&A. I asked y'all on my Instagram to ask me some questions. I didn't get many because I don't have many subscribers. But some of the people that I already have on Instagram and all of that asked me some questions. I'm skipping some of these questions because some of these questions are stupid. Like, what's your name? I'm Unique, the real plus size queen. Like, come on now, get it together. What would you name your boat if you had one? Plus size queen. What's a body part that you wouldn't mind losing? That's a good question. I don't know. What's a body part that I wouldn't mind losing? I want all my body parts. I wouldn't mind losing all my body parts. Fingers, I need them. Toes, need them. Nah. If you lose a toe, you'll be walking differently. I guess I'll say a toe. Nah, I need all my body parts, period. I wouldn't mind losing all my body parts. I'm already starting on another leg and I ain't even finished the other one. Let me act like I got some crab etiquette. Where is that? Oh well, they all gonna get eaten. What's my dream vacation? My dream vacation is to go to Jamaica or Dubai. I want to go to Jamaica or Dubai. I want to go to Africa too. I heard there's some like really beautiful parts of Africa that I would love to see, because they only show us the bad parts of the people starving. Don't let them fool you. Don't let them fool you. The motherland is very, very, very beautiful. Stop playing. And I would love to go and visit. Jamaica, I wanted to go for, this answers another question, how old are you? I wanted to go for my 21st birthday, but you know, dang, I tried to get that all out at once. Things don't really work out that way when you're broke. And yeah, I'm broke. So we're gonna try to make that a trip. Just a trip, you know, when your girl gets some money. I should probably have these questions written down so that I wouldn't have to hold the phone. I just want my crab meat. That's all I want. I just want my crab meat. These questions, like, I probably shouldn't have done a Q&A, but what size is your bed? My bed is a queen size. I have a queen size bed. Y'all see it in almost every video. My favorite movie? I got so many, I can't just name one. I hate when people ask me that question. I have so many. My favorite of all time, though, would be The Parent Trap. I love The Parent Trap. I love Moana. If I ever have a daughter, I'm never Moana. But 9 times out of 10, her birthday party theme, Moana. Moana. No, let me stop. I really want to show y'all this. I don't know what YouTube is gonna do to me if I do though. And I ain't trying to get my page flagged and all of that because I do reaction videos and they be trying to flag you a lot for some reaction videos. Even though I be doing my pauses that I'm supposed to do, they be trying to play people. Beer or wine? Definitely wine. I don't know who beer is so nasty to me. Hey, whoever asked this question is so petty, but I'm about to get into it. Do you have a stalker? Let's lock the phone and get into this. Do you have a stalker? But yes, I don't want to call this person a stalker because I feel like a stalker is someone that follows you everywhere, but I'm gonna call them an internet stalker because, oh my goodness, excuse me y'all, because like sis, she literally follows me. I don't want to say follow me because my pages is private except for my unique TV on Instagram. Make sure you go down to the description, go follow me. But she makes fake pages really often to see what I'm talking about because she's blocked. She's blocked on social media. She's blocked everywhere because sis can't leave me alone. And we're gonna get into detail about this because I feel like this is a topic that needs to be touched around the world. Listen, if you dating somebody, we all been here. We all been down this road. I don't care what nobody say. We all been down this road. When you dating somebody, and you have a feeling like they're cheating on you, and then you find out that they are, and you go to this girl's page, blah blah blah, you ask her a question, girl, guy, whatever. You go to this person and you ask them. That's mistake number one. You don't go to the next person. I'm telling you, take it from me. Take it from me. Don't go to that person. One, because people like me, I'm real petty. But y'all ain't know, now you know. I'm petty. I love to be petty. I don't know why. It's something in me that loves to be petty. So people like me, you hit me up and you ask me, oh, you talking to such and such? I cannot know this person from a can of paint. And I'm gonna tell you, yup, he over here right now, such and such, blah, 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 blah. Don't hit me asking about your man. Don't do it. That's mistake number one. But if you do, which we have all done, we all make mistakes, you feel me? We all got growing up to do, we gotta learn. If you do, that first time, make it your last time. Make it your last time, baby girl. That person, I don't care. I mean, you could, oh my God. I'm sorry, y'all. That's hard. I don't know how people be doing that. Once again, we make mistakes. Some of us is just dumb. And I've been there. And I'm going to say it. I ain't got no shame in my game. I was dumb over a couple of people. Don't make a whole bunch of fake pages bothering that person, because it makes you look stupid at the end of the day. It makes you look real dumb, and that person is 9 times out of 10 laughing at you. And if your boyfriend or girlfriend really did cheat on you with that person, 9 times out of 10 they laughing at you too. They telling that person that you're crazy. I'm telling you, like, come on now, y'all gotta do better. Y'all really gotta do better. I'm going all around the question. Oh well. Yes, I have a stalker. This woman, I'm not gonna call her girl. She's a grown woman with a kid. And sis, every other day, I kid y'all not, every other day, she's making a fake page. And she's messaging me like, oh, you can come get your dude, da, 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 da. But she tried, I don't know how to explain it, y'all. And it's really sad. Like, at some point, I felt bad for the girl, because like I said, we all done been there before, and it seemed like she was really, really hurt. Like, but after a certain amount of times of her making a certain amount of fake pages, I ain't feel bad for sis no more. Since you're a joke. Period. Point in the blank. If y'all want to know more about that story, I will let y'all know in a story time. Comment down below, and I will give y'all the whole tea on sis. The whole tea. Look, I told y'all I'm messy. That's cool though. Let's get back into this. My celebrity crush. My celebrity crush. I got a few of them. My main celebrity crush is Justin Bieber. Period. He will always be my celebrity crush. Married, not married, divorced, whatever. He's gonna always be my celebrity crush. Have I ever stolen anything? You the feds? I'm not answering that question. Once again, how old are you? I'm 21. About to be 22, February 3rd. This year went by so fast. It went by too fast. Can I do a split? Yes, I'm not about to show y'all. What would you name your son if you had one? Listen, because I have a stalker. Let me get this off my chest. Because I have a stalker, I don't want to give y'all all the names, but one of them would be Armani. That's just one of them. That's a common name. If you want to take it, take it. Go ahead. Oh man. Come on, all the way. I'm never gonna get it. But Armani. And girl names, not giving that out. Period. Point blank. All my girl names, they not exclusive, but they exclusive, and you can't have it. Next, my favorite TV show is Star. Like, I don't watch TV unless it's Wednesday, and that's all I watch. Other than that, I'm on Netflix. Did I go to college? No, I did not. I want to go back to school, but that's a whole nother story. Some of these questions, like, y'all know, like, whoever, people asking these questions know these, and it's irritating. Is your father bald? Duh. I don't want to say Doug because some of y'all might not have known that, but yeah, he bald. He bald. What is my nickname? I have 2 nicknames. My childhood nickname is Poochie, and my nickname is Neat. Am I into girls or guys? Guys. I ain't got nothing against nobody. My best friend is gay, but I prefer guys. Simple as that. My first job was at Dickie's Barbecue. Let's get into this. Because I don't be forgetting people. When they do me wrong. I'll bring it up forever and always until I die. I'll know. They say you should forgive. And I probably should start forgiving people and just letting things go. Let go and let God. But listen. At some point, I will. But right now, I won't. Let me tell you about this story. So I was working at Dickie's. And you know what? I'm about to get irritated because just me. I'm not trying to come out. But I was working at Dickie's Barbecue, blah, 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 blah. And one day, because I didn't have a car or whatever, and I was not staying at my parents' house at this time, and one day, I got off real late. So I asked this girl that I work with if she could take me home. She said no. I was like, bet. I was gonna walk to where I had to go. At the time, it was a little distance, so I was like, you feel me? Dang, I'm not trying to walk, but I will. She didn't say no like that, but she had stuff to do, and I respected it. So period. If I have something to do, girl, bye. Y'all getting right. But so I'm like, bet. Guess my manager's girlfriend, well, the owner, because he was the owner, and his fiance girlfriend was the manager. She overheard, and she was like, we can give you a ride. Bet, I'm not about to turn down this ride if where I'm going is a little distance, you feel me? And at the time, I had a little situation going on to where I really wasn't trying to walk. So bet. They're like, oh, we can take you, blah, blah, blah. On the way to him dropping me off, he gets pulled over by the police and gets a ticket. Why? Because he was speeding. That's not my problem, is it? No. Bam. Okay. So, I should have really sued now that I'm thinking about it. But I wasn't tripping. I mean, I was tripping, but I wasn't tripping. So, he gets pulled over by the police and he gets a ticket. A couple days later go by and we had this app that like told you your schedule. You clocked in on it, you clocked out on it, told you your hours, blah, 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 blah. So one day I got a message like, oh, we have a meeting, blah, blah, blah. So I'm thinking this is a whole, like, everybody gonna be there type meeting. So, you know, I get there, nobody there. I mean, the people working is there, but everybody else ain't there. So I'm like, okay. So he like, okay, can you come back here? I knew by then, like, something was up. So he like, unfortunately, we're gonna have to let you go, da 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 da. So I'm like, why? He's like, because you don't have reliable transportation. Blah 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 blah. How I don't got reliable transportation when every time I'm scheduled, I'm coming in. That don't make sense. He like, blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, whatever. It is what it is. Bro fired me. Boom, got my check, left. few months later, I forgot what I was doing. I was on Facebook. And the girl that was dating him at the time said something to me, got into it. She wanted to start bringing up personal stuff that I was telling them, like, if I did call into work, it was like a reason or whatever. So she wanted to start bringing that up, putting it on Facebook. We got into it, and she brought up a sensitive subject for me. I'm not going to speak on it because I'm not going to speak on it. But she brought up a sensitive subject for me. So me being the person I am, I'm like, oh, you still stay in them apartments? Like, you still stay in them apartments? Because I'm about to pull up. Like, oh no, I moved into a house. Me and my husband, da 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 da. Oh sis, you happy you married, huh? You happy you married? Oh bet, I'm about to pull up to Dickies. Simple. She like, I'm not even there, blah 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 blah. Bet. You pull up there. She like, oh, I'm around the corner, da 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 da. Cool, I go outside. Nobody's around the corner. She's nowhere, like, she's literally nowhere. So I'm like, cool, like, I'm texting her, I'm like, where you at? You pulling up or not? Next thing you know, I get a blocked call. And I pick up, I'm like, hello, who this? Blah, blah, blah. I get a call, and it's like, hello, I'm Unique, da-da-da. They said my last name, but whatever. He's like, hello, I'm Unique. Amber called us and she's feeling really threatened and blah blah blah. So I'm like, the police calling me from a blocked number, like, this gotta be one of her friends, like. So I'm like, what's your name, what's your badge number, blah blah blah, like, I need all of that, like, run it in. So he's like, oh, that's not necessary, blah blah blah. Yeah, it is. You calling my phone, I need that information, I need that. So he's like, I can come to your house if you like, da 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 da. Yeah, you can do that. Come on. So then, he's like, my face hanging dirty. How we doing? He's like, he never came. Long story short. But what I'm saying, I need to forgive people because to this day, if I see her, she's got a problem with me. Still. Because of the situation that she spoke on. Once again, if y'all want to know that story, comment down below and I'll put that in there. Next question. Jeans or leggings? I prefer leggings over anything. I don't know. I like jeans. I have this favorite pair of jeans. Y'all see me in them already. Twice. Those are my favorite pair of jeans. I love them jeans. But yeah, I prefer leggings over jeans any day. Do you have a Tumblr? No. Are you in a relationship? Mind your business. Let's see. Worst breakup. What do you mean by worst? Like me being hurt, or like we broke up because it was some problems? I think that was the same situation, so I guess. That's a story time. But I have had a really bad breakup. My favorite basketball team. I like the Celtics. I've been liking the Celtics since some years ago because my big sister, she likes them. So, I mean, if you want to call me a bandwagon, call me a bandwagon. But I've been liking them for a minute. Favorite football team is the Raiders. Are you a night owl? Yes, I'm a night owl. Like, I be up all night. Literally all night. Like, I be wanting to post my videos at night because that's when I be up. I be bored. I be like, dang, I want to post a video. But yes, I'm a night owl. I'm trying to eat, so I ain't got that many more questions left. So we just gonna keep talking about anything. I'm gonna break my teeth one day. Cause this is really how I crack my crab. I bought this fork up here for this main reason, but did this in the Alfredo. I could have said that Alfredo sauce, but this ain't like that. I could have put this in some pasta. I'm gonna stick with my butter, and it's cold too now. I'm good. We're gonna stick with this. I really wanted to speak on this Jill Scott situation because she was up there going crazy. She was trying to show y'all that the big girls, we were in 7, I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm trying to downplay this because it's big. Big girls is where it's at. If you ain't know, now you know. I'm letting you know. We'll cook for you. We'll make you feel real good. But I ain't gotta prove nothing to nobody. Your preference is your preference. Whatever you like, that's what you like. Because I know I love skinny dudes. Like, I love skinny dudes. Have you ever? I had one boyfriend and he was muscular. Like, everybody else was skinny. Like, I love skinny dudes. But it is what it is. Make sure y'all go ahead and smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe so you don't miss none of my notifications. If this is something y'all want to see me do often, let me know. I think I'm going to do another one, but with a story time. But yeah. So yeah. And bye.
That money we gon' slide, ain't no end. Ain't no end. That jealousy got me funkin' with friends. With my friends. Can't trust nobody, I been watching my friends. Yeah.